हाय फ्रेंड, आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे डायमैग्नेटिज्म। व्हाट इज द डायमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस, डेफिनेशन, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस एंड एक्सप्लेन द ओरिजिन ऑफ द डायमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस। द फर्स्ट वी सी द definition of the diamagnetism. The substances which are the weakly repelled by magnet are called diamagnetic substances. Means that substances when the substances or the diamagnetic substances are the place in the external magnetic field, they are the weakly repelled by magnet, are called diamagnetic substances. The examples of copper, silver, gold, etc. are the examples of the diamagnetic substances. The explanation of the origin of the diamagnetic substances. In an atoms of the diamagnetic substances are exist in pair, both having the orbital and the spin motion in the opposite sign. This is the diamagnetic atom. The atoms of the diamagnetic substances are exist in the pair. In the absence of the external magnetic field, the electrons are in pair, having equal and the opposite magnetic moment, and cancel with each other, and the resultant magnetic moment of the substances is the zero. But in the presence of the external magnetic field, the velocity of one electron of the electron pair is increased, while that of the other electron is decreases, and hence the atom possesses the net small magnetic moment. But if the applied field is the remove, means applied external field of the atoms or substances can be the remove, the substances lost their magnetism. Means the diamagnetic substances have not a magnetic property. Means if the magnetic field is applied to the diamagnetic substances, they show the weakly repelled to the magnet. But in the absence of the external magnetic field, they do not have magnetic property. Now the third point is that what is the properties of the diamagnetic substances. The first property is that in the absence of the external magnetic field, the net magnetic moment of that substances is the zero. Second is that the diamagnetic substances are the weakly magnetized in the directions of opposite to the directions of the applied external field. Suppose this is the directions of applied field. So the diamagnetic substances are the weakly magnetized in the opposite to the direction of the external magnetic field. Weakly magnetized. The third point is that the behavior of the diamagnetic substances is unaffected due to the temperature. The fourth point is that when the diamagnetic substances, suppose the diamagnetic substances place in the air, the external magnetic field, when the number of lines of force passing throughout the substances would be less than which passing throughout the air. Means suppose the diamagnetic field is passing throughout the substances and this substance is placed in air, so the number of lines of force passing throughout the substances would be less than which passing throughout the air. Means when the diamagnetic substances is placed in the magnetic field, the number of lines of force passing throughout the diamagnetic substances would be less than which passing throughout the air. The fifth point, the diamagnetic nature of the substances can be found by the weighting. When the substances, the first in air and then the after suspended in between the poles, the poles of the magnetic field. If the substance's weight is the less in the magnetic field, it shows that the substance is the repelled by the magnetic field and hence they are diamagnetism. Means when the substance the place in air, the weight of the diamagnetic substances is more than the when the diamagnetic substances is placed in between the two poles of the magnetic field. means in the external magnetic field, the weight of the diamagnetic substance is the less than when the diamagnetic substances placed in the air. The sixth point is that if the diamagnetic liquid is placed in the watch glass, if the diamagnetic liquid in the watch glass place on the closely spaced dissimilar magnetic poles and produce depression in the middles. These are the diamagnetic properties. These are the properties of the diamagnetic substances. If the diamagnetic field is applied to the magnetic field is applied to the diamagnetic liquid in the absence of the external magnetic field or in the presence of magnetic field. If the magnetic field is applied to the diamagnetic liquid, the one arm of the U-tube, the liquid level in that arm is lower. The last point of the last properties of the diamagnetic substances is that the substances having all the electrons are in the pair state or having the no unpaired electrons show the diamagnetic characters. These are all about the property, explanation, and the definition of the diamagnetic substances. Thank you.